In this video, I'm going to show you how to reverse a video in Canva. First, add a video to your design. You can do it by choosing a video from the Templates tab, from the Elements tab, or upload your own video from your computer. For these demonstrations, I'll just use this video. Okay, now to reverse the video, go to the Apps tab, then search for Video Reverser. Open this Video Reverser app and click Start to get started. Then click Export and wait until it's done. Once the export is done, choose the audio setting from these three options and set the speed that you want. After that, click this reverse video button and wait until the reversing process is done. After you successfully reverse the video, you can add a page and click this Add to Design button. Then just adjust the size of the video in your design. Okay, now let's play the video to see the difference between the original version and the reverse version. This is the original version. And this one is the reverse version. So that's how you can reverse a video in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.